Hi, James.
Hi, Emily. How are you?
I am good, thank you. And you?
I am fine, thank you. What do you have in your bag?
I have my books and a lunchbox.
What do you have for lunch?
I have a sandwich and an apple. What do you have for lunch?
I have pasta and a banana.
That sounds good. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Do you have any homework today?
Yes, I have math homework. Do you have any homework?
Yes, I have science homework.
Do you like science?
Yes, I do. It is very interesting.
I like science too. What are you doing after school?
I am going to the park. What about you?
I am going to the library.
That sounds nice. Let's talk more later.
Yes, see you later, James.
See you later, Emily.